I'm Alex and this is Justin, and we've taken time out of our working lives in Sydney to travel to some of Australia's most remote and beautiful places in our modified four-wheel drive, and we're filming our adventure along the way. So last week is the week that everything broke. Join us this week as we hobble our way to Mount Isa before we rejoin the Savanna Way and explore Cobbold Gorge.
Okay.
So we've driven about 380 k's from Lorella to a rest stop. Got here got here late at about 8. Have cooked and are being ravaged by some weird new type of bug. So we're eating in the car, but they got in here, so we're still eating with the bugs.
Yep. I sported a spider out from my crutch.
Yeah, and the duct tape's largely gone and we've run out of it. So 600 k's to Isa to go. See if we survive the night at this rest stop. All over my legs. It's a pretty empty rest stop. We had a locust plague earlier. There's like plenty of dead bugs on the car. Anyway, I'm going to eat, bit some cheese into my dish and get into the tent.
Well, we have lots of wells. We've gone a long way. We're up at Normanton to look at a big statue of a croc.
Yeah, so last time we left you, we were having car issues and trying to get to Isa. We hobbled onto Isa and met an awesome mechanic that could squeeze us in that afternoon, and we got both CV shafts replaced whilst we were there, and we've now driven back to where we would have been today if we hadn't have had an issue with Normanton.
About a 1500 kilometre detour, all said and done.
Yeah.
But yeah, so
Krys Croc.
We'll have a look at Krys Croc. So the croc is the largest authenticated croc shot in the world. It is 8.63 metres. Yeah, that's it. So 28 foot 4 inches in the old measurement, which is freaking huge.
In the imperial measurement.
Oh.
That is metric measurement.
So yeah, from Normanton we might just head straight to Croydon.
Yeah, we're going to head, so we're now back on the Savanna Way, and we're going to head towards Cairns. Plan. We missed Lawn Hill because of the detour, so we were meant to be there last night, but it was just too much of a backtrack. So we're going to go to Cobbold Gorge instead to try and get our gorges in that way.
Yo! So we didn't really do much around Normanton and had a read up on the history. It's a pretty interesting little place. But yeah, we just had lunch there, went to the bakery, and now we are in...
Come on. Croydon.
Croydon,
An historical gold town. There's a really cool donation campsite just a K out of town. You just need to go to the visitor information centre and get a permit. So we're now just walking back into town for an explore and a pub feed.
Pub feed, yeah. Love a good country palmy.
We haven't had a pub feed in at least 10 days, maybe even 2 weeks.
Yeah, but so, Croydon as a town
awesome.
Is freaking cool. I didn't expect anything of it. Alex had saw that some people said it was a great place, and it's cool. It's got lots of little old mining buildings and relics and whatnot.
It's quite a well-preserved historical town, so the buildings are beautiful. It's got a really cool tourist information centre with kind of a museum out the back. So yeah, definitely one of our picks for an old historical town.
Yeah, so you might see some more footage of us walking around looking at things.
Hundreds of, are they galops?
You might not, yeah, they're a major Mitchell.
I don't know, that was part of our quiz on the Queensland Highway. They won't be able to see them unless they all move.
They might all fly away again. Maybe I'll throw a rock at them.
A rock at them.
Should I run into them?
Go on. Doesn't they all fly back and attack you?
Hopefully. Give me a hop skip again. You're like one of those overly excited kids going to school.
So before we treat ourselves to a beer, we're just doing the Heritage Trail.
Yeah, we did go into the bit behind the Tourist Information Centre earlier, but we didn't film it.
Is that about trains and old miners'
Trains,
cottages?
old cottages and stuff. I was going to swear, but stuff, it was sick. But we just found this drunk and disorderly. So Alex is just going to recite, I reckon, my favourite one.
So at the police court on Monday, Mrs. Shield, licensee of the Albion Hotel, was fined £1 and costs for permitting dancing on the premises. I hadn't realised that dancing was not allowed.
Maybe it wasn't. It was horizontal, vertical consumption.
Maybe it wasn't allowed. So yeah, the courthouse is just next door. A few more things, then back to the pub.
And a big truck. Brum brum brum. Brum brum. So, as usual, I've woken up nice and early to make Alex her coffee while she lies in bed and breakfast.
Off.
And we're just gonna pack up slowly this morning and leave this massive campground in Croydon and head through Georgetown, have a look. I think there's like a chimney thing to look at, and head to Cobbold Gorge. We've got a tour there for Savo and we're staying there, so yeah, just gonna make some coffee, slave away.
Oh, thin ice, boy, thin ice.
And then we'll get out of here after I pack everything up as well and drive. It's hard life being me.
Cry me a river, boy, cry me a river.
As she comments from her boudoir.
I was watching a video.
But you knew
I can barely tie my shoelaces.
You're not the only one there. Here's a bit fine.
as the snow tries to degrade, sun deal with the rain, and breeze like intertwined, like time on interstate. The moon did turn you grey, and the days they were declining.
You did well.
Very well.
Just don't drop that.
I'll try.
Time for the Cobbold tour. Cobbold?
Sup, bro.
Sup, bro.
Sup.
It'll never be enough. What is left of my blood? And I'll bet I'll be gone before this is done. Two hearts like a one sun.
Alex can.
sad that you knew best, but we never got that time.
In something more.
We go as far.
The term I'd never heard of until I spoke with
Your
Lauren.
chest and the will to keep fighting, collecting battle scars, and I'm at war with bottles as they stare at me inviting. Do they know better?
So we're just doing the stand-up paddle board tour of Cobbold Gorge.
Sup, bro?
Sup, bro? Pretty cool. Got great helmets on.
Yeah, how cool do I look in a helmet?
It's a nice skinny gorge. Small tour.
Yeah, it was sick.
Pretty good fun.
Didn't fall over.
Yeah, we lost the door to the GoPro, as I'm sure you've heard. So it's not waterproof right now.
No,
So we're risking it for a biscuit just to get the footage for you.
but you can also see in the background the glass bridge. Somewhere there. I think we're walking across that tomorrow.
Yeah, so tomorrow morning we're doing the 3-hour gorge tour, which I think includes a boat tour of the same bit of water, some walking, some understanding. So yeah, we're looking forward to that. Now I'll head back and have a beer. Yeah.
Safety. It's cold.
Really quite cold. Back in Queensland.
We're up. Oh, look.
We're there.
That's where we are. Yeah, we're becoming soft.
Yeah,
It's like
it's cold.
19 degrees and
Feels like 50 because of the wind.
I regret taking my hoodie and my trackies off.
But yeah, we're just on our way to do the 3-hour gorge tour. And we will be wearing sturdy shoes, hat, sunscreen, with a
sunscreen, full
water.
water bottle.
What it says.
Yeah, and we get to walk on a glass bridge and whatnot.
On the boat.
And learn about how the gorge was made, I think, a bit more than the SUP tour.
Well, I think they didn't tell us on the SUP tour because they knew we were doing this tour and they would just be repeating the same information.
Anyways, we'll
See how it goes.
see how we go.
The sun comes out.
Yeah, bring back the sun, sunshine state.
Has everyone got booties?
Well, you're welcome to go on as soon as you get the booty.
Yeah, that's quite quickly.
Oh, that's so clean.
Makes you gut.
Good. How are you?
There seems to be no more uses for
Those tent spiders. Huge ones.
What is it?
The tent spider. Close enough. What was it? It was a tent spider.
Yeah, something like that. I'll believe you.
They create tents.
Probably keep out more bugs than out there.
They're trying to attract the bugs,
I stand by my statement. We're just sitting enjoying some beautiful quinoa salad in the car. We spotted this little bad boy in the tree. 2 of them.
Like a world inside.
Thank you for watching. Join us next time as we head towards the Atherton tablelands and I get freaked out by a couple of leeches.